Oh, you hungry? You hungry, Ty? Say, what's that bright light? What's that light, Auntie? Here, let me turn the light off for you. Oh, there you go. Good morning, Ty. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? You okay? Uh-oh. Good morning. Good morning, Ty. Uh-oh. You cry, huh? Wait a minute. I'm all bundled up. Let me loose a little bit. Come on, Grandma. Where's my bottle? Where's my bottle, Grandma? She's coming, Ty. She's coming. I know. She's coming. She is. She got your bottle. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to cut you off here.